Actually, Dalton, can you just get the box off? Hi, and welcome to Top Products with Torvald Primble. I'm Torvald Primble. This is the show where we take a look at, unbox, and review some of the best possible products that you can purchase with your labor-begotten paper. And today we'll be looking at, this Chia Pet emoji edition from the Chia Pet company. Dalton, can you get the HD cam? Can we get a good close-up shot of this? Alright. So as you can see, this is the Chia Pet emoji edition. Create your own emoji. Match your mood, with replaceable facial expressions. Let's get this out of the box. Seeds, paper. Here's it. So now I like logging onto sites and emojis. I think we all like using emojis, and this is a good one so you can have it with green hair. You can see it comes with a plethora of stickers to match your emoji expressions. Let's create a quick emoji here, why don't we? Does anyone else like using emojis? No. Get sunglasses, probably. Sunglasses. Oh, wrong way out. Wrong way up. Oh, man. Emoji. And he's got lips. And that's an emoji. I don't have time to sit here and do the whole chia thing where it grows these seeds out of his head. But just imagine this idiot with a tuft of green chia plumage, chia plumage growing out of his head. And thank you for joining on this week of Top Products with Torvald Primble. Thank you. Bye. I almost had to sneeze. Sorry, I forgot to rate the product, and I would rate it a good out of best.